Since 1996, we've been protecting 50 million families worldwide, serving over 200 million users. Behind the nationwide leading sales of WONLY products, what's the secret? WONLY owns the first and only future factory in China's door lock industry. Here, 186 production steps have been streamlined into 16 workstations. On the highly efficient assembly line, a security door is produced every 7.68 seconds. Cloud-based data flow enables customer needs to be met in milliseconds. For mass production of flexible manufacturing, every production line holds endless possibilities. Laser flexible cutting combined with robotic bending. AI-powered intelligent welding paired with visual dynamic compensation delivers stable output 24 hours a day. This results in millimeter-level precision in sheet metal and welding processes. An industry-exclusive ID steel stamp management system ensures traceability throughout production, guaranteeing invisible quality. The first intelligent coating line for security doors uses robotic spraying and suction to give only a luxury car-level paint finish. Spectral inspection. Automated dosing and pre-treatment ensure the product is in optimal condition before coating. The powder room works in tandem with AI visual tracking. This achieves micron-level powder coating uniformity with an error less than 1/10 the thickness of a human hair. Micro-engraving level transfer printing technology gives the door surface a unique texture. Intelligent temperature control throughout the process, combined with real-time monitoring of 74 indicators, ensures a 100% perfect coating. 20-layer precision pressing technology makes every door as solid as a rock. Inspection. Assembled and packaged qualified finished products are sent into the smart warehouse that connects the entire factory. They can be dispatched from the warehouse at any time and delivered to thousands of households. From research and development to testing. From security doors to smart locks. From a single steel plate to the security doors that protect 240 million users. WONLY is driving a paradigm shift in security doors through the power of intelligent manufacturing. This is the traditional way at WONLY. We are committed to smarter manufacturing, bringing every user safer, more convenient, more economical, and smarter products and experiences. Turn on music mode. Okay, cinema mode has been activated for you. Let every family enjoy a smart and secure life.